When using fiber optic test equipment, it is very important that you clean the connectors on the equipment before you actually use the test equipment. The one-click cleaner is the perfect tool for doing this. By removing the adapter on the unit, you can take and clean through the adapter on the test equipment to the connector on the inside of the unit just by simply pressing until you hear the click. When testing with the OTDR, you should do this on the equipment as well as on the fiber ring or launch cable that you're using. To do this, you use the adapter that comes with the one-click cleaner, and again, simply insert it to the end of the connector and press until you hear the audible click. Now you're ready to attach the fiber ring or launch cable to the piece of equipment. You'll also want to clean the end of the fiber ring or launch cable that you're going to be using to connect to your fiber under test. And again, it's as simple as taking the cleaner, pressing until you hear the audible click. You'll want to do this cleaning between every time you connect and disconnect from the fiber that you're testing.